Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Marcel from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to be showing you guys our Tyger tire carrier for this Jeep Wrangler JK model. This carrier holds up to a 37-inch tall tire and works with most aftermarket bumpers. In particular, the style even matches our Tyger Fury bumper. Now before we begin, let's make sure that we read through the instruction manual and make sure that all the parts are here and accounted for. That being said, let's get started. First, remove the spare tire from your vehicle. Then open the rear door and remove the vent cover. Unplug the wiring harness leading to the third brake light and disconnect the main harness to the rear door. After that, close the door and pull the wire harness and grommet through the door. Proceed to remove the plastic tire mount. Now open the door and remove the check rod plus any outer coverings from the hinges if needed. Next, remove the rubber bumper from the back and then begin removing the hex bolts attached to the hinges with the help of another person to secure the door. Together, remove the door and set it flat on a clean and safe spot. After that, proceed to remove the hinges from the body. Take the Tyger tire carrier and carefully place it on top of the door. Make sure the carrier mount is laid flat against the mounting surface on the door, then look for any gaps in between the carrier and the hinged area. If needed, insert provided spacers to fill up the gaps until all three mounting surfaces are flush. Now, go ahead and install the hardware onto the main mounting surface and the two hinge areas. Don't forget to reinstall the rubber bumper as well. Before we reattach the door assembly, first install the two hinge mounting bases to the body. Now, lift the door assembly and guide the hinge mounts into the mounting bases and install the hardware into the hinge slots. Remember to reinstall the check rod and test the opening and closing of the door. Adjust the fit as needed. Depending on the size of your tire, you may need to reposition the third brake light mount by installing the extension bracket. Go over the installation manual for the details. After that, we can now reattach the plastic mount back to the carrier. Before we finish, don't forget to reinstall the third brake light and reattach all the wiring harnesses and the vent cover removed in the beginning.